What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm over here at my buddy's house. We're going to be installing my hood louvers that I've had sitting around. Time to get those installed and get some holes cut in my hood. So my hood has this crease in it right here, if you can see, and then it angles off that way. I think I'm gonna run them right along the edge of that crease. I think I like it better like that instead of sitting on the outside. Guys, these are the stencils Aaron and I made yesterday. Well, Aaron did all the work with the stencils, but give us an idea of where it's going to go. Alright, we're going to get a mark from this hood scoop to this body line on the hood. We're going to find the center, and then we're going to line up the point of this stencil and the point of this stencil with our center line. So we got to get two measurements, one measurement from here, one measurement from here, actually three measurements and one measurement from here. Sorry I didn't record that last part, but we had to get these squared up, which was a pain in the ass. But I think we got both sides pretty much figured out. It looks pretty level. Alright guys, so it's the moment of truth. I'm about to cut into my hood. Aaron helped me get them lined up. I think we got it pretty much squared off. Looks good right now, but we'll see what happens after I cut into it. like heard you come out, and then I just was like dragging it back, and then I looked, I was like, oh shit. Lucky. Lucked out. You got so fucking lucky. Look how sick that looks up. That looks dope, dude.
You got lucky.
Yeah, I did. Alright. Well, it's sitting in there good. Or I kind of messed this cut up right here. Gotta watch your words on YouTube. As you can see, I went a little far out, but thankfully
this corner too.
It covers it. Yeah, I know, I seen that on this corner too. But I knew I had a little bit of room, just not that much.
Yeah.
Alright, one down, one more to go. Your turn.
No way.
That's both of them in. Look pretty damn even. Alright guys, it's the day after installing my hood louvers. Installation went good yesterday. However, the sticky adhesive that it comes with does not hold very well. So today, alright guys, as I was saying before, I almost dropped my phone. The sticky adhesive on the hood louvers are starting to come up. It's not sticking very well, so I went ahead and went to the hardware store, picked up some hardware. So hopefully we're going to be able to bolt this down. Alright, well I was going to do 3, but me and Aaron were talking about, I think we're just going to try and do 2, well 4 on each corner. Hopefully the adhesive in the middle holds it down. Alright, so we have all the holes drilled for the hood louvers. Like I mentioned before, we only ended up doing all 4 corners. Alright guys, it's really hard to do this with only one hand, but put your Allen key in and then just take your ratchet or your drill and tighten the other side. Alright guys, just finished it up. It's starting to get dark out here. It turned out really nice. Now I don't have to worry about it flying off while I'm driving.